Hi guys, we are already here at the end of the Pagoda Street. So this is the art guys. So it says here, welcome Chinatown Street Market. And beside it is the Sri Mariamman Temple. So this is the view over here guys. So it has a lot of shops, convenience stores. So look at that guys. Sri Mariamman Temple. So I actually went here because I was thinking the guy who sells ice cream sandwich is here, but unfortunately he's not here. The uncle. So this is Pagoda Street. So this is, by the way, the start, not the end of Pagoda Street. So this is the street here, guys. It's a bit busy. So now let's go over there in Sri Mariamman Temple. So you can actually go inside guys, but you're not allowed to wear your shoes. So they are currently praying now. And I think whoever may be the visitor of whatever creed or religion, this temple has been worshipped for many years. Please feel free to enter by removing your footwear before walking freely into the temple surroundings, and if you wish, worshipping at the sanctum with reverence. So the people here, they leave their shoes before they get inside. So these are the do's and don'ts. Sri Mariamman Temple is the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore. Since its construction in 1827, it has played an important role in the lives of Hindus here. In the early years, it provided shelter for Indian immigrants. It was the only Hindu temple whose priests were vested with the authority to solemnize Hindu marriages. Dedicated to the mother goddess Sri Mariamman, the temple attracted many devotees who turned to her powers of healing. Sri Mariamman Temple was established by Narayana Pillai, who came to the settlement with Raffles Party in 1819. In 1823, Pillai requested for some land to build a temple, but it was only in 1827 that the first temple building was erected. And we are walking towards the Buddhist Tooth Relic Temple. So we will stop by there guys. And check this out guys. So this portion of Chinatown is a covered walkway. So same with what we will see on the other side, but we will not go there. So Saint ST Signature Co-Living Hotel. So let's go here. So this is another portion of Chinatown guys. So same decoration. Look. And then they have here Indian food. So we are now going home guys. But before we set home, let's pass by this Buddhist Tooth Relic Temple. So this is the Buddhist Tooth Relic Temple guys. Unfortunately, it's closed already. So it will open tomorrow. And in front of the Buddhist Tooth Relic Temple is the Maxwell MRT station. And way back 2017 when I visited Singapore, that train station is still under construction, but now it's already functioning. I think for how many years already. And of course, beside Maxwell MRT station is the Maxwell Food Center. It's one of the most famous hawker center here in Singapore that sells very cheap food for everyone. So yeah. I guess that would end our tour, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.